Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel GK for Everyone. Please do like our channel, press the subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications of the exclusive and important GK contents of the present time. Please do share it among your friends. Today's topic is the beautiful Northeast. As I personally belong to Northeast, so I have a great sentiment associated with it. So, without wasting any time, let's start it. Which is the largest northeastern state? It's Arunachal Pradesh. Where is Baba Harbhajan Singh Temple? Baba Harbhajan Singh Temple is in Sikkim. He served the Indian Army from the time 1965 to 2019. He died in 1968, but he is also known as the living soldier because he used to help the Indian Army in their dreams. He is so-called a saint or a Baba. He was born in Punjab in 1946 and he died in 1968 in Nathula. He is also known as the hero of Nathula. Which is the wettest place in Northeast? It's Mausinram in Meghalaya with an average annual rainfall of 13,978 mm. Next question is, what is Shillong also known as? So as we everyone know, Shillong is known as the Scotland of the East. Which city is the gateway of Northeast? It's Guwahati. It's the most centralist place of Northeast. Which city name means Betelnath Market in Assamese? It's Guwahati. Because Gua stands for the Betelnath or as in our local language which is called Tamil, and Hati or a hut means a market. It's maybe weekly or a daily but a big market. So Guwahati in a whole as a whole it means Betelnath Market. Where is Jampui Hills? It's in Tripura. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? It's the Loktak Lake. And the next question associated with the previous one only. Where is Loktak Lake located? It's in Manipur. Which is the only floating national park in the world? The answer to it is Kebul Lamjo National Park in Manipur. Where is Hornbill Festival celebrated? It's Nagaland. Hornbill is also the state bird of Arunachal Pradesh too. They wear its peak as a cap, which is also known as Pudum. Which valley in Nagaland is famous for its flowers, especially the lily, which is found only there? It's the Juko Valley. Juko Valley is located in the borders of Nagaland and Manipur. It's also a famous trekking place. Which is the cleanest village in Asia? It's Maulilong in Meghalaya. What was Mizoram also known as? Mizoram was also known as Lushai Hills. Which place is known as the land of rising sun? It's Arunachal Pradesh because the sun is seen very first in the early morning from the Arunachal Pradesh itself. The next question, where does the sun rise first in India? It's the Dong Valley, Arunachal Pradesh. Who is the last coronated king of Tripura? It's Kirit Bikram Kishore Manikya. Where is Ujjayanta place located? It's in Tripura. Where is the oldest refinery in India? It's Digboi in Assam, which was inaugurated in 1901. Which is the only hill station of Assam? It's Haflong. Haflong is a very beautiful place in Assam, which is a famous hill station too. The weather is very pleasant and many such beautiful scenic beauties are there present. The next question, which place rumored to be a suicide place for birds? It's Jatinga, Assam. Actually, it's rumored to be a suicide. It's so-called rumored to be a suicide place because it's not actually suicide place. The birds does not commit suicide by themselves, but some culprits and some local peoples who are actually poachers of these very beautiful migrated birds, they just light up long rounds of fire where the birds thinking to be light, they jumps there and such they die. Actually this is not a suicide, it's a planned murder. Actually it's very bad. The government has also taken lot of steps to stop it, but still now it has not been a much of success. The next question: where did Banasur locked up his daughter Ursa, which is now a tourist place? Is the famous Agnigar Hills in Tezpur, Assam. Where is the longest ropeway of a river in India situated? It's over the river Brahmaputra in Guwahati. Then the last question: which are the two new national parks in Assam? Is the Raimona National Parks, which is assigned 6th, and the Dehing Patkai National Park, which is assigned 7th number of national park in Assam. So okay guys, this is all for today. Thank you for watching our video, and please do visit our Facebook page gyanbhandar.online for most interesting and useful GK contents in the and also current affairs of the present time. Okay guys, thank you. Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day.